As you probably know, I recorded a video showing the aftermath of Hurricane Fiona 2 days after the storm had passed. 1 month later, I'll retrace my steps so you can see how Punta Cana has recovered from Fiona. I'll leave the link to my first video down below in the description, and make sure to stay till the end to learn which Punta Cana hotels are closed for reparations. The first thing I noticed is that there was a significant amount of seaweed. Contrary to what I thought, right after the hurricane, the beach was clear of seaweed. This is El Cortecito Beach. The nearby hotels are Vista Sol, Impressive, Palladium Punta Cana, Bavaro, and Palace, also the TRS Turquesa. As expected, the beach was clear of any debris or obstacle. Right after the storm, there were palm tree branches, pieces of wood, and other debris on the sand. Some hotel beach huts had fallen down during the storm, but they had already repaired them. I remember noticing a lot of erosion on the coast, but now the hotels had brought in more sand to repair this damage. The wooden shops here in El Cortecito received the brunt of the damage. All of them had already been repaired. Between Hurricane Fiona passing through Punta Cana and this video 1 month later, we've been to 3 resorts. The Royalton Chic sustained roof damage in the reception area and lobby. Also, to the pool bar, glass barriers, and the Italian restaurant. They were using the Indian restaurant to serve the Italian menu during our stay. The Royalton Bavaro's massive theater tent was entirely damaged, forcing them to do the night show in another area. And the Dreams Punta Cana either sustained no damage or they had already repaired everything by the time we stayed there. We know some hotels in the Cap Cana area are closed for reparations to this day. These hotels are the Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana, which will reopen on November 15. The Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana will reopen on November 28th. The Sanctuary Cap Cana will reopen next year on January 20th of 2023. 2 other hotels in La Romana were also closed. The Hilton La Romana Family will reopen on November 1st, and the Hilton La Romana Adult, which will reopen on November 20th. Now click on this video to learn 16 hacks for your stay in Punta Cana all-inclusive resorts.